Hey yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to get 3000 tokens from the Blooket events. Please follow this video step by step to receive this year. To collect these tokens, you need just your username. As you can see, this is my username, Albert. You need copy your username. Now I open a new tab and here I search www.GoTokenPro. Remember this website, GoTokenPro. I press enter. As you can see, it's loading. As you can see, token events over 3000 token, Blooket username. Here I enter my Blooket username and I press this red button, generate. Now generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. Now I wait to loading this. As you can see, this is the status online, last update 2 days ago, online users, total users. This is recent activity. As you can see, this person use iOS, this person use Android. Now I use my computer for this tutorial, but you can use your phone for example. Guys, please like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends for more tutorials. If you need help, leave a comment right now and I'll be help you with every questions, guys. Please like. As you can see, we sending resource, generating resource. It's almost done. I wait. It's very easy, just follow this video step by step. 99 success. Albert is connected, resource is ready, extracting completed, transfer to user. As you can see, we don't like a robot. This is a simple human verification. Just press this button, verify now. As you can see, human verification request, verify survey, complete request value and Blooket token will be automatically in your account. As you can see, I press verify now. Now you need to complete one of these survey to receive the reward. As you can see, I select first survey. You need to follow this instruction. As you can see, send a SMS to this number to verify the pin. As you can see, check it for completion. Now I put the video on pause because I can send a SMS and record it at the same time, but I will be back, guys. Good guys, I send a SMS. Now you need to check, enter here on this tab, and as you can see, this is finished. It's done. Now you can close all tabs. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press this button, climb. And now in my Blooket account, I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. Now it's for free. As you can see, I buy a package. Yes. As you can see, it's work. Just follow this video step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.